I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode number 143, and we're talking about the lead paint-based disclosure. It's part 5 in a 12-part series on the listing of your home. Spring market is right around the corner. This is going to give you all the information you need to be ready for that market. Homes built prior to 1978 may have used lead-based paint. Lead-based paint could be dangerous to young children and expectant mothers. During the due diligence period, buyers are determining if the house is the right one for them. As part of the process, they would want to know if there was lead-based paint in the home, and sellers are required to give notice if they have knowledge of lead-based paint in that home. Side note, lead-based paint is not always a hazard. If maintained and in good condition, it doesn't present any problems, but buyers would want to know if lead-based paint is present. The form must be presented to buyers, and they must acknowledge that they've seen that form. If you like these videos, there's plenty more over on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, or check me out on social media sites such as Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.